my paddle
do
board.
something out there.
I got my park board. I'm hoping the quad kink is up so we can go straight to it. See what you got, Greta?
Run number 1. Well, enjoy. We're excited.
Why does everything feel so funny? I've got butterflies, don't know how, but the vibes and the money. Yeah, this energy is just right. Yeah, this energy, it's giving me life. It's unmistakable, so sensational, inescapable, it's everywhere. This vibe's not debatable. Ooh, it lights me up. It lights me up. I don't know how it happens, yeah, but it's true. Ooh, it lights me up. It lights me up. And I don't know how it happens. I don't know how. I wanna make the most of my life. Gonna stay pleasant while I've got the time. I just want to radiate tenderness, to live in love. I know it's cliche, but it feels effortless. Ooh, it lights me up. It lights me up. I don't know how it happens, yeah, but it's true. Ooh, it lights me up. It lights me up. And I don't know how it happens, haven't got a clue. Alright, going through me every time, every day and every night. Every time I'm looking at the sky, got my feeling alright. And the lightning, when it's striking, oh no, there's nothing quite like it. Ooh, it lights me up. Lights me up. I don't know how it happens, yeah, but it's true. Ooh, it lights me up. It lights me up. And I don't know how.
What's up? GoPro Hero12!
Special guest.
Here you are.
This chair didn't exist.
Oh, Air Jordan.
No, I never did. The Air Jordan was.
You go and try it, like myself, GoPro Hot Mom, aka Get
Yes.
Yes.
You know, like stay your ground.
Okay. How about the coffin?
The coffin.
Yeah.
The coffin
Coffin.
trick?
No, it's on Whistler. It's a
Can
little.
bring us there?
Okay, we're here, and I get to follow my favorite skier.
Your favorite skier!
Ski mode.
See what you got, skier?
Even though I don't really follow there.
Come on up, you're so much better than him.